Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube for December 16th, 2019. I'm sorry about the state of my appearance. If it bothers you, I've got pneumonia. I went to emergency on the 12th and they sent me home with prednisones and Sudafed, sort of Sudafed, a Z-Pack, right? I feel worse now than I did before I went to emergency. Yeah. Anyway, the reason for this post and why it's anyone could be a star on YouTube is I just started a Patreon account and I'm going to start loading videos to there. This is content that I obviously can't post to YouTube. And stuff I wasn't going to record until I had enough subscribers to make it worthwhile that someone was looking. You know? You heard don't throw your pearls for a swine. Even worse, don't throw them in a marsh with no one there. So, to support my YouTube channel, I'm doing Patreon videos now where I'm going to show the stuff that I want to get paid to be seen. I mean, I'll show some little teasers. Hey, look what I made on. You can see it on Patreon, the whole process. Isn't it beautiful? That way I can do the stuff on YouTube, have the funding to do the stuff on YouTube that I want to do there. All my shear line upgrades. I'm thinking some other tools that I've been thinking of manufacturing in the shop. But I need the money to buy the metals to make them. I mean, the radius edge adjustable parallels alone would be a great series, project series. Anyway, after Christmas, if I'm still alive, I'll set up here in the living room and I'll start slinging some wax. Show my Patreons how to create patterns for lost wax casting. Then I'll think about cutting opal. Yeah, I do that. I do it good too. Anyway, gonna go for now. Those of you who keep Christmas, Merry Christmas. To my Hebrew friends out there, I'm probably off timing on Hanukkah, but happy Hanukkah. Whatever the Muslims celebrate this time of year, as long as you're not killing someone, have at it. Kwanzaa, I don't know what that's about, but if it floats your boat, brother, right on. And if you atheists out there, you got a tree up in the living room and presents, you freaking hypocrite. You say there ain't no God and you put up a Christmas tree? You're the kind of people that made the world as bad as it is.